Hey guys, just a quick reminder, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because every little bit helps.
Hey folks, thanks for watching this latest video. I had a lot of fun with this model, honestly, and honestly did not think I'd have this much fun painting up Ultramarines. But honestly, also, I've named him Dismas. Dismas? However you say it. The dude from Darkest Dungeon, that's that guy's name, Lieutenant Dismas. Dismas? That sounds about right, right? Anyway, before I get sidetracked again, I need to tell you guys about us hitting 400 subscribers, which is crazy. And for such a crazy event, I have an even crazier giveaway. Now, I'm gonna be putting out more info like as these weeks come out. The giveaway is gonna start on October 13th, and it's gonna run from then until November 1st. And again, like I said, in the next few weeks, there's gonna be a video. At the end of that video is going to be all the details on how to enter the giveaway and what you guys are gonna win. And it's gonna be real nice. Just a hint, I'm gonna give you guys options of what you want. Okay, whoever is the lucky winner of this prize is gonna be able to get it exactly how they want it. Reiterate again how thankful I am for you guys' support of this channel. We've been growing pretty steadily for a year, and again, I love seeing your guys' comments down below on what you guys think and, you know, questions you guys have for painting in general. And again, it's just, I'm glad you guys are here for this journey. Anyway, for all that said and done, again, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe, the whole shebang, because again, every little bit helps. And until next time, see ya.